Hey lovelies, Madam Sophy here again to do another makeup product review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the lip kits from the Profusion Cosmetics line of makeup. What I can say is this brand have definitely ups their game. They've made a huge transition from when compared to the palettes or the quality of the palettes they had prior to me getting these. There is definitely a huge difference in what they're putting on the shelves, and I think that they're catching people's attention by upping their game. So today I'm going to be doing this review. I'm going to be reviewing the Profusion Mixed Metals lips in the color Nude as well as the color Cocoa. We're going to jump right in, but before we jump right in, thank you for joining me on the Madam Sophy channel. I hope that you guys love this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, sweetheart. I hope that you like, comment, and definitely subscribe on your way out. Don't forget to hit that bell, and don't forget to be part of the Sophia's Mix. And you gotta be part of the Sophia's Mix because you are a sophisticated lady. You're a sophisticated lady, so you gotta hit that bell to be in the Sophia's squad. Yes, honey, I'm talking to you. Okay. To my old subscribers, thank you for stopping by today. I hope that you guys love this video. And again, this is my very first product from the Profusion Cosmetics line that has to do with lip color. Yes, I've owned the eyeshadow palettes before, and I've actually added some of their new eyeshadow palettes to my collection. But certainly, this is my very first time trying this, and I'm very excited. So in the lip kit, it comes with a liner. Okay, so you get the liner over here. You also get the lip color, and you also get, well, this is the matte lip cream. You get the matte, okay, the matte lip liner, which is in the center, the matte lip cream, which is over here, and the metal matte lip cream. So you get two lip creams. One has a metallic shimmer to it, the other does not. And you also get your liner. And both of these kits, they come with the exact same thing. So I'm going to start off with the Nude first. Excuse me. And then I'm going to move into the other color, which is Cocoa. So the instructions on here, it says, Step 1, outline lips using the lip pencil and then fill in to create definition and even base. And then it says in Step 2, apply a thin layer of the matte lip cream, starting on the center out. And then in Step 3, it says you have to allow lips to dry and intensify into opaque finish. Then apply the metal matte lip cream as a top coat. So I don't know. I'm really hoping that the lip cream dries very quickly on the lips. But let me jump right in. So I'm going to first start off with the liner. Guys, so I'm just waiting for the product to dry on my lips, and then I'm going to move into the other step. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the metal matte lip cream. Okay guys, so this is the Mixed Metals Lips lip kit from Profusion Cosmetics in the color Nude. I am really loving the way the color is looking, even though yes, it is supposed to be a metallic lip kit. It is not like boom metallic in your face. The shimmer is just right, and the way it applies is just right as well. Now, I do not know if you could use the lip cream separately if you would like to use, or if you'd like just a matte finished look. I don't see anything on here where it says that you could apply, yeah. It doesn't say anything of that sort. It just says metal and matte come together in one trendy setting lip kit, richly pigmented, non-drying, and lasting color. So it's non-drying and it gives you a lasting color. And so far I can actually feel the color drying on my lips as while I'm speaking to you guys, although right now it's a little sticky, and I believe that is just because it's a bit wet for now. But it does not say anything on here where you could have used the lip cream only if you just want a matte look. But like I said, I'm loving the metallic look. I am really loving it. It gave me a really cute rose gold look. I don't know if you guys could see how much of a rose gold shade it gave, but certainly I was able to get a rose gold lip dew with this lip kit. Okay, so this is Nude. I'm going to wipe this off and I'm going to be right back to go ahead and do the very same thing with the color Cocoa. Okay, Sophia, so this is how Cocoa looks on my lips. My final take on this product. My final take is, and first off, it is very affordable because each lip kit costs less than $5. It is $4 and change, but it is less than $5. It is retailed at less than $5. And I think that that is very affordable. Normally, you would get one lip color for $5 for each one, but with this item you get 3 items in that one set and you pay only $5. So I think that it is very much affordable. Does it work? Certainly it does. It does say on the box that it is long. It has a long lasting color and it is non-drying. That's what it says on the box. But so I have no clue as to how much of a long lasting color it gives or how long it's going to last on your lips when you wear it. But it does feel like one of those lip colors that are going to do some time on your lips before it starts fading away. It does give you a matte finish, as you guys realized throughout the tutorial. The metallic part of the lip color is not very much on the metallic side. It does not give like a shimmery boom in your face metallic finish, and I really like that about it, because sometimes, yes, even though we want a metallic look, we just do not want a metallic look where it looks like we're actually wearing gold on our lips or we're actually wearing that particular metal on our lips. Sometimes it could look quite a tad bit ridiculous. So certainly this is one of those lip colors that, even though yes, it does give a metallic finish, it is just not very ridiculous looking. In addition to that, I just want to point out that the products, they do have a scent to it. For some reason, my lip liner was smelling of ice cream, like vanilla ice cream. And then the other lip products, they kind of had a minty smell to it. Let me smell it again. So it has a scent to it where it's like sugary, minty. I can't really point a finger on it, but I'm just letting you know it has a scent to it. So if you know you don't like wearing scented items, or you don't like lip colors with scents on it, I just wanted to point that out to you, that it does have a scent. The consistency in the matte cream product is more on a liquid side. It is more liquidy with the lip cream. But the metallic matte lip cream has a more thicker consistency. So I just wanted to point that out as well. These lip kits are indeed Sophy approved. They are definitely affordable. They are definitely worth the money. I'm not saying that you have to go get all of them in the store. No, that's not what I'm saying. But if you're really looking for a good matte lip cream or a matte lip kit, a metallic matte lip kit, I think that this is perfect, definitely worth the money. You get 3 products in that one kit for just $5, and this is definitely affordable. That's why it is Sophy approved. I cannot find one bad thing to say about this item, because I mean, it's very affordable, and whenever you get something that is that affordable, you're just gonna have to be thankful for what you pay for. And I'm definitely thankful for what I paid for. Okay, Sophias, that's going to be it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all that you do. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. If you're new to the Madam Sophy channel, welcome, honey. I hope that you join the Sophia squad by hitting that bell on your way out. And you got to be part of the Sophia squad because you're a sophisticated lady. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Keep being fabulous. Keep being you. Keep being amazing. Keep being sophisticated. Bye, honeys.